Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I had a really fun video I did today. I think it's fun anyway. I was watching somebody's vlog and they were showing a couple things that had come in that day from Amazon, and that got me thinking about how much I shop at Amazon. It's a lot, way too much. Maybe a little series, if you guys like this, to do like a Amazon this month video and show you towards the end of the month all the things that I purchased in that month. The only things I don't plan on showing are things that are extremely boring and maybe specific to us. Like, for example, we have a propane tank we're using, like getting set up and everything. Nobody wants to see probably propane tank parts, but like other things that are for homeschooling or things around the house or beauty products or skincare, things for the kids, things that I think I'm going to like, I already know that I like, and I don't think I'm very likely to return. So anyway, that's a very long-winded way to say this will be the first video in this little potential series on my channel. This is all the things that I have purchased that I think will be useful and interesting to you guys in the month of February for 2022. It'll be a series of clips like this shot, this shot, this shot, you know, so I might be wearing something different. I may not even be in it with my face, you know, it'll just be me showing you what I got. But this is kind of me explaining this potential series. You guys let me know if you like this video and if you like the idea of me doing this video every month or every couple months. If I find, you know, if I get enough stuff. You guys let me know if that's something you'd be interested to see. So I'm going to fill you in on the things that you've missed so far, because I got this idea in the middle of February and I've already purchased quite a few things and have already been using a few things. So those things, I'm just going to kind of go around the house and show you what I've already gotten and we've been using for the month of February, and I'm either experimenting with or that I already know that I like. And then I've got a few things coming today, and I'm sure I'll pick up some more stuff before the month is over. So anyway, let's get into the stuff that I have gotten from Amazon already for the month of February. So a couple things in my bathroom. I just got done getting ready, so ignore the little bit of a mess. But anyway, first thing that I got is something I absolutely am obsessed with and love, is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I already have two different Maybelline mascaras that I've used for a long time that I use together. The Maybelline Falsies and the Maybelline Mega Plush. I already love that combo and had been using it for a long time. But I'd seen somebody else talk about this. I had never even seen it in the store. I'm sure you can get it in the store, but I hadn't seen it myself. But I went ahead and got this to use in combination with my Hello Skincare Lash Therapy. This is a treatment that I use to grow my lashes, and so far this stuff is absolutely incredible. And so to play off the fact that they're getting longer, I wanted something that was more lifted. I do have very hooded eyes, and I need all the lift I can get to try to compensate for that. So this has been amazing. So I've been pairing the Falsies Lash Lift with the Falsies on top. So love that combination, love that product. I do also love this product, even though you cannot get it on Amazon. I do have a 20% off coupon code for you guys. I'll link in the description box. It's not cheap, but it works. And if you want longer lashes and even eyebrows, I've been using it on my eyebrows and some little bald spots that I have. This stuff's incredible. So I'll link that for you. What else? Oh, also this neck cream I'm trying. I don't know. Apparently it's been talked about on TikTok. I don't have TikTok, and I already had it in my cart before I even heard that it was on TikTok. But basically it's just a firming neck cream with collagen. It does have retinol in it. So I'm trying that. I've only used it a few times, so the jury is still out on this. But so far, I like the packaging. The ingredients look pretty nice. I like that it's made, I think it's in Canada. Yeah, made in Canada. And I even like the dispenser. You don't have to stick your fingers in the product. You just kind of push down on this, and the product comes out that little hole. So as somebody who is, I mean, we're all getting older, but I'm, you know, on the older side of a lot of the YouTubers, I definitely am trying to take care of my neck. So I have that. Also from Amazon in my shower is this bath mat. I'm trying to do things in my house that make cleaning my house easier. And so one thing that I hate doing is cleaning the shower, like the tub. It's really hard to clean. It gets dirty really easily. So I was like, well, if I can put a bath mat down and keep the textured tub surface cleaner, I'm all for it. And so far it's been working out really well. So every week I just pull the bath mat up, I rinse the tub underneath, you know, scrub it a little bit on the sides, put the bath mat back down. And I believe, if I remember right, this bath mat is even machine washable. I'm not 100%. I'll have to link it, but it was like $12. We do have a textured tub, and so far it's not sliding around. There's also a piece of soap down there I need to pick up. But it's been doing really well. So that is something I picked up that I have been enjoying. Oh, back over here, I also got another of my Acure Brightening Glowing Serum. I use this either on its own or in combination with some other skincare products. Like I have this Timeless Matrixyl Synth 6 Serum. I didn't get from Amazon. I think maybe you can, but this came from Target. I use that. I use this a lot of times, especially in the winter because it's super moisturizing. And I do want to do some more research into the gua sha, like facial massage. And I know you're supposed to use an oil for that. So this may work well for that. I'll have to do some more research about that. But I do love this stuff. I have repurchased it countless times in the last 10 years and I love it. So I got another one of those. And then out here in the hallway, ignore the ladder. We just got down the Easter decorations. My girl's linen closet is terribly tiny and I used to keep 2 laundry bags. You can kind of see one of them back there. Laundry hampers at the bottom, and it took up a lot of the shelf space. So for lack of any other choice, really, I needed more space in their linen closet, so I knew the hampers had to come out. I don't love the fact that this is in the hallway, but other than the ladder, that is the bonus room right there, and nobody can see this from like the main hallway. So I got this hamper on Amazon. It does have 2 compartments, so you know, if you want to sort it or whatever, but it's been working out really well. Just having this alone has freed up so much room in their linen closet. That's going to be a separate video, how I reorganized it. I don't know if it's up or not yet. It probably isn't. So keep watching, you know, for that. And I'll show you how I redid their linen closet and, maximize the space in there because it's tiny. But having this in the hallway has freed up a lot of room in the linen closet. And then I keep one of their old laundry hampers, they fold up, in the back. That way, when I get their dirty clothes, I can just pull that out, fill it up, take it downstairs, do the laundry. It folds up and stays back there, and so I don't have to drag this actual inner liner in and out every time I do laundry. So that's been working out really well. Okay, so it's been a few days, and I think in the last clip I showed you my face oil that I got. And I mentioned in that video, I think I mentioned in that clip about the gua sha and how I was going to be looking into that. So it is a few days later, and I actually did get a gua sha like stone. It's supposed to be rose quartz, I think. I don't know if it really is, but it's supposed to be. I've heard really good things about it, and it's not only supposed to be good for relaxation, but also anti-aging. Yeah, it says it's a rose quartz stone. I don't know if it is or not, but it's really smooth. Like there's no weird edges. It may be plastic, but it just feels really nice and cool to the touch. And I was actually already going to be looking into this, and then I saw Blair from Blair Lamb talk about it on her vlog, and I was like, okay, I'm sold. So this is actually the one that she got. So I'll be playing around a little bit with that. So I got that, and then also I don't know if that video has gone up or not yet. I think it has, where I showed making bread for the first time in my bread maker machine. But I also wanted to try making bread just by hand and not have to have a machine because the machine takes up a lot of room. So I got this pack. There's actually a 2-pack, but I've only got one of them out, obviously. 2 packs of this bread pan. It's glass, obviously. It did come with lids, which I don't necessarily think I'll use, but I really just wanted the glass pan anyway. I did make a loaf of bread in it. It was amazing. It actually turned out better than the recipe I tried with my bread machine. Now I realize there's a million recipes I could have tried my bread machine that may have turned out better than the one I did, but as well as it turned out, the one I made by hand in this pan worked even better. So got those. Also for the kitchen, I have been using my vacuum sealer machine like crazy with prepping and food storage and all that stuff. I've been going through these bags like crazy. I have the Gurion, however you pronounce that, vacuum seal brand anyway. So I got more bags of these, 2 packs of 50 feet each. It goes surprisingly fast. So I got that. And then also I go through socks like crazy. Like I literally run holes in my socks. Well, I don't run anymore, but still I get holes in my socks a lot. So I've been waiting for these to go on sale. This is my favorite brand of sock. I've been getting them for years and years, and I just love these little like textury things in the bottom. They feel really good. I like these, so I got these for me. I needed them anyway, but especially we have a vacation planned in May. Hopefully that'll work out. So I got a pack of socks for me because they were on sale, and then my oldest daughter also needed socks. So hers were on sale, so I got hers from Amazon, and then my youngest daughter will probably need socks, but I have not gone through her drawers or anything yet. to figure out what she's gonna need. So I have a feeling she's gonna need more socks too, but for the time being, it's just me and my oldest. And that is everything from the last few days of Amazon that you missed. Okay, so probably the last two things to share in February's Amazon kind of collective haul. I needed some more Space Saver bags. I've used this brand before. It's my favorite brand that I've tried, and I've got another kind of organizing project coming up. Hopefully in March I'll be able to do it, and so I needed some more of these. They're not cheap, but they do maximize space, and I do find that overall they do hold the vacuum the best, and they also have a guarantee. So the time that I did have one that wouldn't hold a vacuum suction, I did email the company and they sent me a new one. So for that reason, I keep going back to these, and I really like those, and they do really maximize a lot of space. They're also good for traveling if you want to vacuum things up when you're packing and then open it up when you get there, and then you can use the hand pump to suck everything back up on your way home. So love those. And then also, with spring right around the corner, the girls and I are like in total spring mode, and I think one of them mentioned they wanted to watch Peter Rabbit, which I thought was kind of funny, but it is a really cute movie. We've seen the second one. I'm not a huge fan of the second one, but the first one is really good, and it's not on Disney Plus anymore, which is weird. It was on Disney Plus and then it disappeared. So anyway, it was $3.99 to rent it or $7.50 to buy it and get the DVD and the digital copy. So I figured if you watch it more than twice, then it was worth buying the DVD versus just renting it digitally. So anyway, I picked that up, and that's going to be really cute. Actually, we probably will watch this tonight. As I'm filming this, it is Friday, and the girls and I always watch a movie on Friday, so I think we'll watch that tonight and kind of get us in the mood for spring. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing most of the things that I purchased from Amazon in February. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I didn't show like super boring things or anything like that. I've got some sunscreen coming today. I didn't show that because I figured that's not that exciting. But this other stuff is stuff that I have either been using and loving that I did get in February, or repurchases and things like that, or some new things I'm trying. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments that you did. You can say, yes, I liked it, I want to see more. Just leave me a thumbs up emoji or a heart, and I'll know to do it again for March, because like I said, it would be really fun if this could be a series, because I do purchase a lot on Amazon. And so if you guys are going to want to see this going forward, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.